If you're learning English and you're confused about when to use present tense, you're not alone. Most beginners use it wrong, but in the next 3 minutes, it'll finally make sense. Hey, welcome to day 3 of the 30-day English plan, where I speak to you real simple natural English every single day. Today we're fixing present simple and present continuous tense, so let's get started. I hear mistakes like this all the time. I go work yesterday, or I'm eating lunch now. These sound small, but they make your English sound incorrect. So let's fix them step by step. So first we have the present simple. We use present simple for habits and facts, things you do daily or on a daily basis. For example, I eat rice. You play football. He goes to school. She reads a book. It looks beautiful. We drink water. They work hard. Important rule, listen carefully. For he, she, it, we add S. Not she like coffee. She likes coffee. Here we have the rule in red. You can take a note of that and it'll help you in the future. So next is the present continuous. We use this for actions happening right now. For example, I am eating lunch. They are watching TV. A very common mistake is saying, I eating lunch. Remember, you must use am, is, or are. So the correct sentence is, I'm eating lunch. Here are the examples. I am eating rice. You are playing football. He is going to school. She is reading a book. It is looking beautiful. We are drinking water. They are working hard. So this is a comparison between present simple and present continuous tense. Here's the easiest way to remember the difference. I read every day. That's a habit. So present simple. I'm reading now. That's happening right now. So present continuous. Take a note of these two comparisons and you'll never forget the difference. Your turn now. So let's practice together. Don't skip this part. So sentence 1, I something to school every day. Well, we have the answer there, but I go to school every day. So next one is I something TV now. I watch TV now. So once you get hang of the present simple and present continuous, you'll literally make these sentences with any words. You know, it'll be really easy for you. So don't worry, you'll get it through. Okay, here's a recap. So present simple, always remember habits / facts. Present continuous, actions happening right now. This is the biggest difference. You remember this, you're all set.